How to share photos on Instagram on Android. So the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our gallery. And let's say we have a photo or picture that we want to share, let's say right here. All we have to do to share this photo to Instagram is to click this share button right here. Then we just have to search for Instagram on the list of socials that we can share it from. Let's say our direct messages right here. Now I can share this photo to my friends, my followers, and people that I have interacted with. Let's say right here. Now I can also share it to multiple friends. Let's say right here. And then all I have to do to share the photo successfully is to hit done right here. Automatically lead me to Instagram. Now, if we want to share this photo to story, all we have to do again is to click on share and then scroll down and search for stories. Let's see right here. Now, it will automatically be added to our story and we can customize it before we share it to our story. So that's how to share photos on Instagram on Android.